Hello kids! Welcome back to Shannon and Charlotte's playground. So today what we got? Here are some of the pictures we have. We have to connect with the right partners. Okay? So let's start. A flower. Where a flower goes? With a key? With a pot? With a painting board or a mug? A flower goes in the flower top. Very good. A key. A key goes with the lock. A key and a lock. The tea kettle. The kettle goes with the mug. The painting brush goes with the painting palette. So, isn't it easy, kids? Yes. So let's do Okay kids, now what's next? We have to put the pictures according to their shape. So now you will tell with me. First of all, I have this here. And where is the right shape over here? I think this one. A dog. Well done. Let's move to the next one. Here is what shape is this? It looks like it's a pencil. So I have to drag and put the pencil to form the right shape. Alright. Now what is this? This looks like a mold of a turtle. And this looks like the bus. So, isn't it very quick and easy thing to do? Yes. So you can also play this type of quick and easy games at home. It will help you to build up your own imaginations and play. So now I will do the same thing with these pictures. You have to move these pictures in the right place. Let's move. This is an alligator. The alligator goes right here. This is a dinosaur. This is a Triceratops. Goes here. And this is a... Well done. We have did it all. So, kids, isn't it so much fun to match the matching pictures? Yes, so see you in our next video. If you haven't liked my channel yet, there you can see a little button. Press on that and don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Bye.